Nestled among centuries-old olive groves in San Vito dei Normanni, Italy, Villa Normanni Puglia is a 206 square meter residence designed by Urban Interior and completed in 2025. Set within the rural landscape of Apulia, the project takes inspiration from local architectural traditions while adapting them to contemporary living. Rather than dominating its surroundings, the house is designed to feel naturally connected to the land and its Mediterranean context. One of the most distinctive aspects of the project is its layout. Instead of a single volume, the property consists of two separate buildings facing each other across a shared outdoor living space. A newly built main villa and a renovated former agricultural structure are linked by a swimming pool, terraces, and shaded gathering areas, creating a balance between privacy and social interaction. The architecture draws heavily from regional building traditions. White plastered walls, soft geometric forms, traditional chimneys, and rooftop access staircases reinterpret familiar elements of southern Italian architecture. Local materials, including tufo stone, reed-covered pergolas, and Pietra Leccese flooring, help the buildings blend seamlessly into the surrounding olive grove landscape. A strong connection between indoor and outdoor living shapes the overall design. Covered verandas, pergolas, an outdoor kitchen, and poolside terraces extend daily activities beyond the enclosed spaces. These outdoor rooms become an essential part of the home, allowing residents to fully embrace the Mediterranean climate throughout much of the year. Inside, the atmosphere is warm, calm, and intentionally understated. Natural materials such as wood, linen, rattan, and stone define the interiors, while large folding glass doors invite natural light and frame views of the surrounding landscape. The result is a series of spaces that feel open, relaxed, and closely tied to nature. The main villa is organized around an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area that serves as the heart of the home. 3 ensuite bedrooms provide privacy and comfort, while practical functions are discreetly integrated into the layout. Across the courtyard, the smaller villa operates as an independent guest house, complete with its own living spaces and amenities. Beyond its architectural character, Villa Normanni Puglia incorporates a range of sustainable features designed for year-round living. Solar panels, rainwater collection systems, a deep water well, efficient climate control, and an electric vehicle. Charging stations support a more self-sufficient lifestyle. Together, these elements create a home that combines regional identity, modern comfort, and environmental awareness in a thoughtful and timeless way.